Happy Monday, everybody. It's Dr. Matt with Full Potential Chiropractic. Just want to answer a question we had last week about our detox workshop, which is January 25th, 6:15. It's a Tuesday night here in the office. The question was, what do I do to prepare myself for this detox? Do I have to fast? Do I have to only drink water? Well, I would get a lot of things in order for yourself right now. Clean your house out as far as your kitchen and all the nasty food, okay? Start drinking plenty of water and get a clean, healthy lifestyle in place. What does that even mean? So that doesn't mean you have to do non-dairy, non-GMO, organic, all this fancy stuff, but I want to make sure that a lot of the stuff you have in your house is pretty healthy. Because if you start eating like garbage during this detox, you're just going to be going in circles, right? So I posted the last video, which is pretty harsh, but I want to make sure I got my point across as far as you can't just eat like garbage and do this at the same time because you're not going to get anywhere. So start cleaning your house out, start drinking plenty of water, and then start looking at the sugars, the additive sugars, the preservatives in our food, right? So that's what you can do to start eliminating a lot of that garbage in your house. So when going through your refrigerator, your cabinets, looking at the ingredients, is there added sugars, how many preservatives, looking at the ingredient label. The more ingredients, the not so good, right? So you want as little ingredients as possible. Start looking at that top ingredient. That first ingredient on the ingredient list is going to be what is contained the most in that food. So start looking at that stuff. That is one great place where I would start if you're getting ready for this detox. Have a great Monday, everybody.